Welcome back to our channel. If you're serious about protecting your crypto assets in 2025, then you need a reliable crypto wallet. But with so many options out there, which one is right for you? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best crypto wallets that you should consider before making a purchase. And hey, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. We've got all the links in the description, so stick around. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the Trezor Model 1. This is one of the most trusted names in hardware wallets, offering an ultra-secure environment for your crypto assets. Trezor supports over 1,800 cryptocurrencies and features an easy-to-use interface, making it perfect for beginners. Secure your digital assets with Trezor Model 1, the trusted and easy-to-use hardware wallet for cryptocurrency storage and management. Designed for both beginners and advanced users, this compact yet powerful device ensures top-tier security for your Bitcoin and thousands of other coins and tokens. Keeps your private keys offline, safeguarding them from hackers and malware. Features PIN protection and an optional passphrase for an extra layer of security. Open-source technology ensures transparent and verifiable security standards. Simple 2-button interface for quick access and transactions. Seamlessly connects to the Trezor Suite app for easy crypto portfolio management. Supports Bitcoin-only firmware for dedicated Bitcoin users. Lightweight and portable design. Carry your crypto security wherever you go. USB 3.0 interface for fast and reliable connectivity with desktop devices. Take full control of your digital assets with Trezor Model 1, the original and trusted cryptocurrency hardware wallet. Keep your finances private, secure, and easily accessible with quick setup and user-friendly functionality. At number 4, we have the SECUX V20. This hardware wallet is built like a tank with its sleek metal casing and top-tier security features. What makes it stand out? The large touchscreen display makes transactions super easy to verify. Take control of your digital assets with the SECUX V20, the most secure and versatile hardware wallet designed for effortless crypto management across multiple platforms. Featuring military-grade security, Bluetooth connectivity, and a sleek touchscreen interface, the SECUX V20 ensures your cryptocurrencies and NFTs remain safe, accessible, and easy to manage. CCEL 5 Plus certified secure element safeguards your private keys from hacks and malware. Tamper-resistant aluminum casing ensures durability and long-term protection. On-screen address verification protects against phishing and fraud. 2.8-inch full-color touchscreen for intuitive navigation and an on-screen keyboard. Bluetooth and USB-C connectivity for seamless pairing with desktops, laptops, and mobile devices. Streamlined firmware updates enhance security and functionality without hassle. Manage Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Dash, Stellar, XRP, ERC, 20 tokens, and more. Compatible with Windows, Mac, Linux, via Chrome browser, iOS, and Android 8.1 or later. Works with the SECUX mobile app for easy crypto transactions on the go. Send and receive crypto transactions via Bluetooth while keeping your private keys safe. Bluetooth is only used for signing transactions, ensuring no risk of key exposure. Number 3 on our list is the SafePal S1, backed by Binance. This is one of the most secure air-gapped wallets, meaning there's no Bluetooth, no Wi-Fi, and no USB connection, keeping your crypto totally offline. Plus, it's super compact and easy to carry. Secure your digital assets with the SafePal S1, a fully air-gapped cryptocurrency hardware wallet designed for maximum security and ease of use. With no Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, NFC, or radio frequency connections, your private keys remain completely offline, protecting them from hackers and malware. 100% offline signing mechanism ensures your assets are never exposed to online threats. Embedded with an EAL5 Plus secure element and a true random number generator for top-tier security. Protects private keys NFTs, and crypto assets with state-of-the-art encryption. Supports 100-plus blockchains and unlimited tokens, all in one device. Easily manage Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Binance Smart Chain, BSC, NFTs, and more. Buy, sell, swap, and exchange crypto seamlessly with integrated features. Pair with the SafePal app for secure, on-the-go crypto management. Multi-language support, 15-plus languages for global accessibility. Intuitive design makes securing and managing your digital assets effortless. Take full control of your crypto with SafePal S1, the safest, easiest, and most powerful cold storage solution. Coming in at number 2, we have the Elipal Titan 2.0. This is a truly air-gapped cold wallet with a full metal body, making it tamper-proof. It only communicates via QR codes, adding an extra layer of security. Take your crypto security to the next level with the Elipal Titan 2.0, a 100% offline, air-gapped hardware wallet designed to keep your digital assets completely isolated from online threats. With military-grade protection, anti-tamper technology, and an intuitive touchscreen interface, it's the perfect choice for securing 10,000+ coins, tokens, and NFTs. Air-gapped technology ensures total isolation, no Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB, or network connections. Transactions are securely signed via QR codes, eliminating the risk of data theft. CCEL 5+ Secure Element protects assets from remote attacks and hacking. Full metal, seal design prevents physical tampering or supply chain attacks. Automatic self-destruct feature erases all data if a breach is detected. Virtually indestructible body ensures long-term durability and protection. Buy, swap, and grow your assets with the Elipal all-in-one app. Manage 10,000+ cryptocurrencies and NFTs with support for DeFi and Wallet Connect v2. Compatible with Android and iOS, ensuring easy access anytime, anywhere. 4-inch HD IPS touchscreen for seamless navigation and account management. Create an account in just 2 minutes and update firmware in 3 minutes via microSD. Supports 24-word seed phrase, 25th passphrase, 2FA, numeric and gesture pins, and hidden secondary wallets for extra protection. Keep your crypto assets fully secure and offline with the Elipal Titan 2.0, the ultimate cold storage wallet. And finally, taking the number 1 spot is the Ledger Nano X. This wallet is an absolute favorite among crypto holders, thanks to its Bluetooth functionality, mobile compatibility, and rock-solid security. It supports over 5,500 cryptocurrencies, making it the most versatile option on our list. Take full control of your crypto and NFTs with the Ledger Nano X, the Bluetooth-enabled hardware wallet designed for ultimate security and convenience. Whether you're buying, managing, or growing your digital assets, the certified secure chip ensures your private keys remain offline and out of hackers' reach. Certified secure chip keeps your assets safe from cyber threats. Offline storage ensures complete protection against hacks and malware. Manage thousands of cryptocurrencies and NFTs, including Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and more. Securely connect to your smartphone via Bluetooth and manage crypto anytime, anywhere. No need for cables, convenient, wireless transactions at your fingertips. Works seamlessly with the Ledger Live app for an all-in-one crypto experience. Supports NFTs and 1,000+ coins and tokens. Access DeFi apps, staking, and other crypto services through Ledger Live. Available in multiple colors to match your style. Secure, simple, and stylish. The Ledger Nano X is the best way to protect and manage your digital assets, wherever you go. And there you have it, our top 5 best crypto wallets for 2025. Which one is your favorite? Drop a comment below and let us know. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto content, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update.